What is up, people? This is Kamli, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today I'm very much excited because we are going to see top 3 Nike sneakers which are brown. Like brown sneakers, they are very neutral, very casual, very good for winter, rainy kind of a season, I believe, and they have their own aura, style, vibe, character to them. So I believe everyone should have at least one, maybe. So if you want something neutral, watch this video till the end, and there are some really good sneakers. So let's start. So this is the first sneaker we have, and let's go. So this is Nike City, a full tan suede upper sneaker with mesh on the toe box, on the tongue, and on the collar of the sneaker. This is a very lightweight sneaker, aesthetically very pleasing, a very stylish sneaker, I'll say. It looks very modern, but at the same time it has that retro vibe. Trust me, in hand this pair is really beautiful, and the most amazing part is the gum midsole and black outsole on this pair. Just have a look at the outsole. That is so crazy. The traction pattern here is something else. It feels like they have made this outsole for hiking shoes and they have just attached it to this. So that is how beautiful this is, and that is how you just have a look, man. Just have a look at this. This is a crazy pair. I just loved it. I love the contrast of green on the insole, and on the back tab you can see the inner side of the back tab, it has green color here, and that is how beautiful the sneaker. Small details but very futuristic pair. At the same time it has that old school vibe, but I love it. The quality on it is great, and all of this comes at a price. I got this pair for 6,500 rupees. That is under 7,000 rupees, and a great price for this pair. Moving towards the next sneaker on this list, and it comes in a destroyed Nike box. So let's unbox this. This is Nike Full Force Low, a full nubuck upper sneaker in that caramel tan colorway, and has dark brown on the tongue, on the sock liner, and on the collar of the sneaker. A very clean, very retro sneaker. It is a old school basketball sneaker from 90s or 80s, something like that, and then Nike thought to bring this pair back, and then they have this here. A very clean pair, a very good college going pair, I believe. It has this white contrasting midsole and then dark brown outsole again. The quality of the nubuck on this pair is really nice. I personally like it, and you can get this pair only for 5,455 rupees. So yes, if you want to check it out, go check the description. Now we move to the next sneaker from Nike, and let's unbox this. The packaging is sad. Okay, let's go. So this is Nike Coat Vision. Again, a full tan nubuck upper sneaker. Looks very much like a Nike Air Force, but it is not. A lot of people mistake this pair as a Nike Air Force, but it is not. But yes, this can be a great alternative for Nike Air Force if you want something like this, because there is one sneaker which looks very much similar to this, and that is Nike Air Force Feet. I'll show the picture here. You can see how similar this pair is. But yes, in my opinion, this is a cheaper version from Nike of Nike Air Force One. And if you like something like this, very clean, very minimal, very simple, but at the same time it is a Nike sneaker. But let me just tell you that this pair does not has great comfort, and the quality on this is not up to the mark. So do not feel you'll get something crazy. It is a very nominal sneaker, but yes, looks interesting, very decent. White contrasting midsole, tan outsole, tan upper. Great sneaker, and you can get this pair for 4,655 rupees. Yes, under 5,000 rupees. Now you tell me which is your favorite from this list, and I've got all of this from Amazon. You can go and check it out right now. And with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.